Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing a brand new product. This is the Makeup by Mario SoftSculpt Blurring Bronzer. I'm obsessed with Makeup by Mario bronzing products, so when I saw this was added to the collection, I had to get my hands on it and see what it does and see if I like it. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week. Please make sure you're subscribed, but if you want to see me review this new product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, let's jump in. I'm so excited to try this out because like I said, I've tried multiple Makeup by Mario bronzing products and all of them have been such hits for me. So I am very excited to see what this one does and hope that it lives up to what the other ones do. So I have it pulled up on Sephora. I'm just gonna touch on some details and then we are going to try it out. So again, it's the Makeup by Mario SoftSculpt Talc-Free Blurring Bronzer. You get 6 different shades to choose from. I picked the shade medium. I did order this online, so I tried to kind of make the best choice, but we'll see. You get 0.25 ounces in the product, and then it goes for $38. For a bronzing product, I would say a little bit like up there, but it is standard pricing. I feel like a lot of products are around that range. Some of the highlights: matte finish, pressed powder formula, non-comedogenic, hyaluronic acid, vegan, cruelty-free, a versatile powder bronzer that blends effortlessly to naturally warm and blur the complexion with light to medium coverage and a sweat and humidity proof finish. This modern blurring formula is lightweight and blends like a dream with soft matte finish. It's non-drying, non-patchy, and layers effortlessly with creams and liquids. It is also talc-free, non-comedogenic, and ophthalmologist tested. Non-drying, my favorite words. I feel like I have like normal to dry skin to begin with, so something that's not super drying is a must for me. Non-patchy, who wants patchy makeup? And layers effortlessly, like you want to be able to build the product up. So I appreciate all of the points that this hit, as well as the light to medium coverage, sweat and humidity proof. It's summer, so it's the perfect timing for that kind of a product. So let's unbox this and see what it looks like inside. Very classic Makeup by Mario packaging. It's just like that plain, like sleek white with the black wording. It's really, really just pretty. And then opening it up. Oh, I love that it's like a magnetic close. There's a mirror. Just took that thing off. The mirror is really, really good. I think this is actually going to be a really, really good color match for me. I'm glad that I went with medium. I am like not at my tannest right now, but I'm not at my palest either. So I feel like this is going to be a pretty good match. I'm going to swatch on the back of my hand so you guys can see. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but it's a really, really pretty color. I'm glad that it's not too dark, not too light. I feel like it's the perfect in between, and I feel like it's going to blend in really, really nicely with my skin tone. And I love how soft it feels. Like it literally does feel like silky soft, so I really, really like that. And it blends really nicely, at least just from the back of my hand, the swatch, but obviously we'll see on my actual face how it looks. So all that's left to do is apply, so we can get started on this. I already have the rest of my makeup on, but clearly I'm a little bit washed out because I don't have any bronzing products, just foundation, concealer, and then lips, eyes, eyebrows. So this is the next step for us. We're gonna apply and then we'll talk details. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is the bronzer applied everywhere I normally apply bronzer. Oh my goodness, I am very pleasantly surprised. I don't want to say pleasantly surprised because I was expecting a lot out of this, because of my good experiences with past Makeup by Mario products. So I was fully expecting to really like this, but how much I like this, oh my gosh, from the second I dipped my brush in to the second that I started blending it into my cheeks first, I was like, it looks so good. Like, it was sitting so perfectly on my skin. Took me like no effort to blend it in. Like, when it says blends like a dream, it really does, you guys. Like, it looks so soft and smooth. And again, took me like no effort to blend it in. It just melted right into my skin, into my other products that I'm wearing underneath. The finish is absolutely gorgeous. I would say that soft matte is like a spot on description of it. Like, it's not fully matte. There's still some kind of like a natural finish to it, but it's not like glowy or shiny, if that makes sense. Like, it's that really nice in between. So a highlighter or a blush product that's a little bit more glowy would look beautiful on top of this, but it's not drying me out whatsoever. It's not accentuating my pores. It's not doing anything that I don't want it to do. It is just elevating my entire makeup look right now. It just looks so pretty, and the color, I'm obsessed. Like, the color of this bronze, I'm really glad that I went with this color choice or shade choice, because it's perfect. Like, I would not have gone any lighter or any darker. I feel like this medium shade suits my skin tone absolutely perfectly. It's not too warm, not orangey whatsoever, but it's not like a cool toned, like a contour, you know? It's like a really perfect golden bronzer, but it just, there's something about it that looks so natural. Like, it just looks like my cheeks are just naturally chiseled out. So I'm really obsessed with what this is doing. It feels so good, like silky on my skin. Doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cakey. I would say that this is a good, in my humble opinion, a medium coverage product. Like, I feel like I got some really good pigment out of this. Like, I don't think it was like sheer by any means, but it's not full. Like, I feel like this is the perfect just everything for me. It checked all my boxes, did everything that I would want out of a bronzer, and I just cannot get enough. I'm gonna have to compare this with some other bronzers in my collection, because I've tried some really good ones, and this one is just really blowing me away, and I'm super happy with what it's doing for my face. So obviously, at the end of the day, it's a huge yes. I really love what this is doing. I cannot recommend enough. Just a first impression, of course, but this is not the last time that you will be seeing this product on my channel, because it just looks so freaking good. So it is a yes, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about how it turned out on me, what you like, what you don't like. Let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.